Greetings gentlemen, today we have a very interesting and a very uncommon video on my channel because so far I've only released maybe like two, I think I've released two, maybe three motorcycle videos, I'm not sure, on my second channel. And today we're actually gonna be releasing a new one. So I've already made a full review on this bike, very expensive bike and unbelievably powerful. And I've actually ordered, when the season ended last year, I've ordered a new exhaust for it. Exhaust arrived in the winter, very expensive, $5,000. It's not actually 5K, but with the delivery to my country and sanctions and the sanction price and everything, you know how it is, I have different prices than you guys who live in the first world countries. So I've actually received an exhaust. I've tuned my bike. I've installed the exhaust, as you can probably hear by the sound. I'm recording with a dual microphone setup, so you should be able to hear both of the sounds very well. I've actually I just fully did a full tank fuel on this bike, and we're gonna go on my favorite road and test drive it. I've actually ridden it for a little while, and actually how the bike feels is actually unbelievable. But of course I'm not gonna show it to you the full power of this bike in the city, but once we get on the highway, we might pull the throttle a little bit, I'd say, yeah. So also you might say, oh HaiX, are you fucking retarded? Why are you wearing two different colored gloves? It's actually because I had so much equipment with me today to the garage, bring microphones, cameras, all the cables and everything. I literally just, I'm not used to like monovlogging or just recording videos, like motorcycle videos, so I literally just forgot a part of my equipment. So yeah, we're about to get on the highway. Obviously you cannot see the full power of this bike because as you can see by the rev limiter, I'm actually barely pressing the throttle, but bumps on the road I keep forgetting about them, bro. Right, so let's slow down a little bit because I cannot drive very fast at the same time and talk to you guys. So first of all, it's kind of chilly right now. It's around plus 10 Celsius, which is already kind of like, I consider it good weather for riding. For me, it's already good weather. But you might be noticing that I'm kind of more confident on higher speeds, especially like on turns, and that's actually because I've been practicing track racing for the last 6 months. It has become a huge hobby for me, and I've actually learned how to lean the bike properly, how to brake properly, how to have a good body position for track and for street. I'm not saying that I became like a very good rider, no, I'm still developing, but that has become my ultimate and one of my favorite hobbies. The fact that I'm more confident in this bike actually just allows me to enjoy it way more, because as you can see, I could be going like 200 kilometers an hour, but I'm riding it at my comfortable speed of range that I know how to control. Oh my. And I'm like, as you can see, I'm barely using like full rev limiter on this bike. Oh. Does he want to race or something? Wait, does he want to race? I didn't understand if this Toyota Camry wanted to race me or something, but he came very close and then he stopped. Like, he stopped right near me, so I Does he really? Okay, I respect it, honestly. Oh. Yeah, I miss this so much, guys. I've actually missed this so much. I haven't been riding for a long time because, like, on the street, because obviously it was winter, and now finally, well, it has been raining for a long time, and now finally the weather is stabilizing. And I know that part of my viewers really like motorcycle content, so it's really nice that I can make a video like that from time to time, because it's very important for me to share my hobbies with you guys. So yeah, what I was saying is that I've been track racing, and I'm actually like, I started on mini bikes, just like any good racing school does. I want to complete this path from like small CC bike to higher CC bikes on track, learn how to control them, learn how to brake properly, how to corner properly, but I already know how to get my elbow down, I know how to get my knee down, like basically all these basic things. My body position has actually improved by a lot. Sometimes I just go out on an empty road like this one and just ride for enjoyment, not just for training, you know. I don't bother anyone, I don't like put myself in danger because I'm riding very safe, not between cars or everything, you know, like very late night, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. when there are barely any cars on the road. So I could be going way faster right now, but first of all, there is no need. I'm not rushing anywhere, I'm just trying to enjoy the road. Second of all, I'm talking to you guys, and it's very difficult for me to talk and ride and focus on the road at the same time. Recording on a very cool camera that records very well in the night. I hope you guys are noticing these colors and how crisp the quality is. I really hope you do. I really appreciate every single one of you who is watching my videos. I really appreciate every single one of you who's watching my streams. One another topic that I actually wanted to discuss is probably, as you guys probably know, I got unbanned on Twitch, and the last video I did on the motorcycle, my second channel, was the video that actually got very viral when I said that I'm actually gonna be like streaming on YouTube, but now I got unbanned on Twitch. What's really interesting is once I got unbanned on Twitch, I was very happy, 100% honest. I'm still very happy. I'm still glad to be unbanned. It was a false ban, just like as I said. Twitch apologized to me. They wrote to me a letter where they said that they apologize and it was a false ban. But the problem here is that I actually kind of lost my viewership. Like, I was ending the stream before I got banned, I was averaging maybe like, let's say 500 viewers and 800 on a good day. After I got unbanned, right, I was banned for almost 2 years. I got unbanned and now I am averaging maybe like 100, 150, sometimes 200 on a good day, you know. So it actually, for some reason, I just don't feel like stream. I feel like making a lot of videos, and because that's what I love doing. I really like making videos. If I wasn't a CS content creator, I would still try to be a content creator, simply because I enjoy making videos. Holy bro, I'm listening to this with my visor open and it's so loud. Oh wow. But yeah, the topic that I wanted to discuss is that I'm not really feeling like streaming for some reason, simply because of the state of our favorite game. It just doesn't make me wanna play the game. Honestly, if you guys got any tips for me for what I should stream, if you wanna see any specific games, maybe IRL streams, maybe like more like talking streams, because I'm more like honestly, I'm like a professional yapper. I graduated straight up from Yappington, you know, so IRL streams, motorcycle streams, talking streams, variety streams, something. Please let me know. It's really important to me if you guys would let me know what you would like to see on my Twitch, if you even watch the streams. One thing that you can notice about this exhaust is that it doesn't do any pops and bangs. And you might say like, oh HaiX, how is this exhaust? Why it's so expensive? Why doesn't it do the boom boom popcorn sound? The way the guy who made this explained it to me, basically said that it's actually natural and it depends from engine to engine. You can force pops and bangs, but if it doesn't come out naturally, it's better not to do that. So if the engine doesn't produce pops and bangs by itself, it's better to not, it's possible to do that, like, and force the engine to do that, but it will damage the engine most likely. So that's why we are here, guys. We have the loud exhaust, but there are no popcorn sounds, unfortunately. If I'm being honest, those are the speeds that I'm comfortable at. 150, 170 are the speeds that I kind of know how to control, because those are the speeds that I ride on my 300cc bike on like higher RPM. You know, like 150 is a decent speed. Oh, this road is beautiful. It even feels so much better, the new road. Holy! Yeah, this is how I enjoy my freedom, if that makes sense. is just, you know, this is freedom. This is what freedom looks like to me, you know? Me and my thoughts all by myself. There is no stress, there is no need to do anything, just... yeah. So that's me, and that's my new tuned motorcycle that I just showed to you guys. I hope that it was fun. Oh, there goes the green light, but who cares? I hope it was fun for you to watch the video. Those are the rides that I do by myself a lot, pretty much every time when I have good weather during the season. I either go to track and then I go for night rides, or I just go for night rides if there are no track days or no training available. So yeah, that's me. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Let me know. It was a lot of yapping, but I hope you enjoyed. God bless you. I'm out. Goodbye.